Place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Press the clips firmly to secure them. Repeat the same procedure for the passenger seat. Do the same for the second row. Place the floor mats. Adjust their position so the edges fit snugly. Before placing the third row floor mats, first fold down the second row seats. After placing the floor mats, adjust the position of the edges. Press the clips firmly to secure them. Next, fold down the third row seats. Then place the backrest cushions. Ensure they are aligned and fit snugly against the edges. Finally, place the boot mat.